Baking with Bunny. Today we're gonna make ginger molasses cookies.
Can I do it too? You should tell everyone we got this magazine in the mail.
Yeah, from Steve Roberge.
Steve Roberge sent us this magazine, and Daddy was flipping through it, and I came across some delicious
meals. Where'd it go?
Ginger
molasses cookies.
So flour first.
How much?
We need 1.5 cups.
1.5 cup.
So that's a half cup. So how many is 1.5?
1. Half of this?
1 plus a half.
2 cups of this, right?
No.
One of this?
That's half of a cup. So 2 cups make, 2 of those make 1 cup.
1 cup.
And we need another half.
So 2 of these.
Plus?
2 of these.
Plus
equals
1. 2 of those equals 1 cup. We need a cup and a cup and
so
a
how,
half.
so how
3.
much? 3, okay. Okay, so of these, 3 of these.
Yeah, very steady hand you have.
Thanks.
No spills. That's good for the cleaning crew. Who's on the cleaning crew?
Not me.
We're not shaking it out on the camera. Better than the floor. Oh. Away from the food. Doesn't smell good?
No.
Ginger?
Yeah. Okay.
It's better than wasabi.
Both of
I know we
these.
need the wasabi. Just a whisk together.
It
there.
should be like a brownish
Nice.
color.
Good mix. 12 tablespoons.
Okay, you're cutting it. I'm not cutting it.
12. How many tablespoons is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Woo!
So we
How many
need
more?
4.
Nice. We have to melt it in the bowl.
Okay.
Actually, no. Not melt it.
Don't melt it.
Don't melt it. Soften.
Soften it. Hold on, I have a challenge.
What's your challenge? See how long you can hold on to it?
Yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Slippery.
Yeah.
Oh, here comes Dylan. He found us.
Dylan? Mommy! You're gonna have to babysit for a second. Say hi first. Hello. What? Pour this in here?
No! Brown sugar only. Bless you. Gosh, there's a lot of coughing and sneezing around the
I caught
mix.
my
Okay.
butter's in.
The butter is in and dripping. We did a nice mix.
I'm gonna get melted very soon in the oven. Add the egg.
Your favorite part.
My
I've never
favorite
seen
part
someone like
into
this.
here.
No, here.
Oh yay! Hold on, Daddy. Can you open the trash can, please? Sure. Yay! Eggs are fun to crack.
Good job. Watch it. Whoa, 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 you're tipping it. Please. Come on. Oh boy, let's go over to the mixer. Oh gosh! Oh, it's on the floor.
It is?
Juliana, this is the worst bouncing act I've ever seen. Oh my gosh, let's go.
You're freaking me out, so I... That's it?
Yes.
You're freaking me out, so I couldn't balance it.
This is a good lesson for the folks at home to learn. When you're ready to pour something in a mixer, you should Do it close to the mixer.
Okay, done.
Shouldn't have to travel very far.
Ah, molasses, that's sticky. Where do I put this, folks?
Here.
Where do I put this? Ah, you take this. Molasses. Oh my god, that's so sticky. Anyway, I just stepped in it. Anyways, next step, loving a spatula.
Okay.
Loving a spatula.
Add the dry.
Wins the race. That will
Okay, let's contain. Let's get some containment here. I've never seen such a messy chef. Let's turn the oven on. 350.
Let's turn the air on. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, hi everybody. Okay, so now we're gonna try the ginger molasses cookies. 3, 2, 1.
Landon, where have you been? You didn't want to make them? You just want to eat them?
Always. I was watching TV. It tastes gingery. I can taste the
Mine was like
sugar and pop and
stocking.
stuff.
Which one is that? A gingerbread man?
For the recipe, visit ChristinaAllDay.com. Bye. Woo!